Assalamu alaikum. Greetings from Talent Upskill, Class 4, English version, Math, exercise 1.4. Math number 5. Put the numbers at A to C position. A to C means we have to put the numbers. What is the number here at A, at B, at C? We have to write the numbers. So from 0, from this big mark to this big mark, the number is 1000. From this big mark to another big mark is another 1000. So next big mark is also another 1000. So before that, you see, this is between the two big marks, there are 10 small marks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That means each small division is 100. Each small division is 100. And from 1000 to this mark is 500. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. From here to 2000 is also 500. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So what number is at A? 1500, 1500. 1500. What number is at B? We know from one big mark to another big mark is 1000. So after 2000 it should be 3000. 3000. This is 4000 and this should be 5000. But what about C? It is one small division less. So we know one small division is 100. So 100 less than 5000 means 4900. 100, 200, 300, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we can write 4900. Now second one, number 2. Put the numbers A to D. Put the numbers at A, B, C, D. Here from one big mark to another big mark is 1000. It's 10,000. This is 70,000 and this is 80,000. So this is 10,000. So one small division is how much? 1000. If this is 1000, 2000, 3000, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Now this is 80,000. The next big mark is this, A. It should be 90,000. So we write here 90,000. 1, 2, 3. Now B. After A, this is another small division, 2 small division, 3 small division. Each small division we know is 1000. So 90,000 and then 3 small division means 3000. 93,000. B is 93,000. 1, 2, 3. C is the next big mark. So after 90,000 it should be 1 lakh. After 90,000 we add another 10,000. So it should be 1 lakh. 1, 10, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs. Yes, it's 1 lakh. Next is D. After C, the big mark is this one. That would be 1,10,000. But D is 3 small division less, means 3000 less. or we can say up to C is 1 lakh, then 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 7,000. So this should be 1,07,000. 1,07,000. 7,000. 1 2 3. 1,07,000. Okay, done. Thank you everyone. Thank you very much.